Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to scan a document on the Collect by WeTransfer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the All Items button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Then click on the plus icon down below and tap on Scan Document. You need to allow the app to have access to your camera and then scan the document. Tap on the button next at the top. Here, if you tap on this button, you can apply a filter. You can rotate it by tapping on this icon in the right side corner and tap on the Done button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then add it to a board, select an already existing one, or you can also create a new one. As you can see now it is being imported and you can find it here. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.